Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I don't know why. Yo, just turn me down just a little, my voice down just a little. Yeah. Yeah, 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 that's good, that's beautiful right there. Yeah. Yo. I'm the C-O-double-M-O to the end. You heard, mother? Well, boy, I hit it again. Official raw nigga from the city of wind. Straight doing it. I am doing it. C-O-double-M-O to the end. You heard, mother? Well, boy, I hit it again. Official raw nigga from the city of wind. Straight doing it. Yo, what the? It's going down. Nigga, you sound like a real bitch right now. The pound I gave you, I knew I shouldn't have gave you. Before you was a hoe, now you think the money made you a slave to the rhythm. Addiction serving a wisdom. Clinton is the press, but I voted for Shirley Chisholm in a poetical prison. I'm visiting South for hours. Coward niggas get shanked for kicking. Pussy raps, radio is like COs, they try to push me back, I rip cats out of their suits, give them their hoodies back. I'm from the hood, we stack. Black fist, is the sound of blackness. These new school cats is classless, influenced by rap shit, front money, but hustle backwards. I break bread with bras, they got their masters, and hypes that plaster. Lawyers that work faster, and young ghetto bastards became childlike with the way I style right and act. Cause children naturally react, respond to the calm. As a poet, I'ma last like a dime. Cause I'm like that, yo, a phenom without shit on my arm. You can't coerce a verse, I'ma rhyme when I wanna get up and rhyme. Some say I'm spaced like John Glenn cause of the places I've been. I embrace if I spin, been through cases of Heineken. Return to orbit on some shit that's anti-corporate in a wild style. Orchard gay rappers is getting tortured for tossing salads. You imbalance, you rap about violence too much. I go on blind dates with mine, stay saying go Dutch. And my shows, the law show up. They be thinking it's a hold up. So many hands go up, but with the band I'm colder. Money folder. You want a fresh style? Let me show you. I'm the C-O-double-M-O to the end. You heard, mother? Well, boy, I hit me again. Official raw nigga from the city of wind. Straight doing it. I am doing it. C-O-double-M-O to the end. You heard, mother? Well, boy, I hit me again. Official raw nigga from the city of wind. Straight doing it. I am